G'day, Mcdaddy Camper Trailering. In the last video we left Paddys River Falls. Now just a few kilometres down the road we have this free camp, Paddys River Flats campsite in Burra, New South Wales. You might ask the question, where the hell is Burra? Well, it's 15 kilometres from Tumbarumba, very close to the Elliott Way Turnoff towards Cabramurra and Kiandra. This picturesque riverside campsite is running alongside the Paddys River, which flows down towards the Paddys River Cascade Falls. You can take a walking track from the campsite to the falls, or if you prefer, you can drive back towards Tumbarumba, take a left-hand turn and go down a steep windy track towards the Paddys River Falls. There are toilets, picnic tables and viewing platforms so you can see the waterfall. We'll continue to bring you free camps and scenic places that we visit on our journeys, caravan modifications, maybe some tips and tricks. How about a camper walk around? Just tell us in the comments below some of the things you'd like to see or would help you on your travels. It would be appreciated if you would subscribe to our channel. Currently, only 3.8% of viewers are actually subscribed. It would be nice to see this figure around about 10%. The toilets at this campground are of the flushing variety. Please look after this campsite and its facilities and ensure any rubbish is correctly disposed of.